right, everybody, this is a big day for us.
Oh my gosh, it's humongous.
Yep, we hit 10,000 subscribers.
10,000 people are now subscribing to our little VW Life channel, Matt Jackson.
Indeed, and we want to celebrate, so we're going to do a giveaway.
We are. What are people going to get? Say swag.
Swag. Well, in this case, they're going to get a shirt that you can get. If you don't win, you can order one for yourself on our website. You get a hat, some stickers, a copy of Volts America magazine and Volts Mania magazine, all sent to you courtesy of VW Life.
Wow, so you're going to get it in the mail.
Yes.
So basically you're saying this is free.
Yes.
All they have to, how are they going to get this?
I guess they should leave a comment.
Is that how we're going to choose? We're going to
Yeah.
do we do the snarky comment thing again?
Yeah, let's do snarkiest comment.
Oh, I love snarkiness. This is king of snarky right here.
Anyways, just leave a comment. Snarky, funny, happy, inspiring. You leave us a comment and we will pick a winner in a week or two.
Yes, that's it. And you'll get this for free.
For free.
In the mail. So you have to make sure, we'll contact you and let you know, and then you can give us our address there.
Yep.
Your address. So what are you going to win again?
You get a shirt, a hat, Volts America magazine, Volts Mania magazine, and a bunch of VW Life stickers.
Nice. That's a good deal. And thank you all for 10,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
That is really a pretty darn cool. I know I told some people the other day at Thanksgiving that we had 10,000 subscribers, and the teenagers went, "Ooh, what?" So yeah. So
He tells everybody.
he
He hands out cards. He's like, I'm on YouTube.
that's right. Oh well, the kid, all kids, what do they want to be when they grow up? A YouTuber. And I just
be
kind of
like
go.
you.
I kind of go.
You're a YouTubist.
I'm already a YouTuber, baby.
All right. Well, once again, thank you guys. Couldn't have done it without you. So,
10,000.
leave a comment below, and you might win the little package.
Thank you guys.
Lifers. Woo. Thanks, guys.
Let's go find lunch.